I finally cleared my garage so I could fit my Ram 1500 in to do some body work. There is a problem though. It doesn't fit. Hello YouTubes. So my huge garage reorganisation was a complete waste of time, but that's okay because we've got some good news. This sun has come out and it's all nice and dry. It is still a bit cold, but it's warm enough to get the main bodywork done and the welding done on the other side. And as you can see, new project car is now sitting outside, which means I've got plenty of room inside the garage, although not in length. But at least we can get the truck in and get it painted and let it sit if the rain does come back. So, back to work then. So I'm going to sand down this first layer of filler and get a fresh layer on, hopefully the final layer, smooth that down, and smooth all this down along the top. A little bit at the front to put a little bit of filler on, might even do some along the bottom, get that sanded down, and hopefully that'll be that side done. I have my new table of tools ready and waiting, lots of sanding paper, I've got a couple of sanding blocks, some paint, some primer, I've even got a couple of tack cloths. I don't know if you know about these, but you basically wipe down your surface before you paint. They're sort of sticky, but they don't leave residue, so they take off every bit of debris that's left. Got my filler. I think I've got everything. So, let's get going. Another day gone, but we've made some progress. Both rocker panels are on, both are welded, both sides have got the first layer of body filler on. Shouldn't be much left to add, but I'll let that dry overnight. And then tomorrow, apparently it's going to be snowing, but now I can get the truck inside. Not all the way, I can't shut the door, but at least I can get in out the snow and get some of the fine body filler work smoothed down, and then we can finally get this thing painted. But that's all for now. Just, the days are passing so fast. There's like 5 hours of sunlight and then we're done. But I've got lights in the garage, so I'll see you inside in the morning. Take care. See you then. Cheers.